Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, July 21. Time is around 9 GMT and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So, I was quite lucky. Well, lucky I knew what I was doing, of course, but I was lucky that my that I was not stopped out here. So yesterday in my video, I explained you how I tried to catch this top here because I saw that we were completing a structure, an upward structure. So I wanted to initiate a short from there, and my entry did hold, and we had this nice push to the downside here. So I already took partial profits. So now we are actually in an area from where we can go up again. But I believe there are two scenarios, two equally valid scenarios. So maybe first of all, let's start with the 4 hour. Like, if I look at the 4 hour, I would say we still need this fifth wave to the upside. Like, this would be the nicest structure, like from a distribution point of view. Then we have this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here in our RSI, we make an RSI trend line with our wave 1, beginning of wave 1, 2, we have here our wave 3, then in wave 4 we break the RSI trend line, and then we see one more push up, ending here with divergence. So this is how it looks like in the 4 hour. This would be the nicest and the clearest structure. The danger is, however, like, we have some kind of divergence here. It's it's not really outspoken, but there is divergence. So we cannot exclude this scenario here. And this, would mean that the high is in the high of a higher time frame structure is would be in here. If you watch my analysis of the Dow, I have I believe we are in a similar situation there. So this is a bit the danger for long trades, because until now it was quite easy. No, I don't mean easy. It's never easy trading, but like, as long as you do not have a complete structure in the higher time frame, you just buy the pullbacks, and this is what we did. Like, if you follow me for a while, these were all the areas where I bought or where I wanted to buy. So here I wanted to buy here, but we didn't reach it. Then here I got a second chance. I got in here. Then even I took this wave 4 here. All the profit was very limited. I took it here. Then again, I wanted to buy here. It didn't reach the area, but I got a second chance again here. Then I had this run. I took profit on the way, and I get out somewhere here. I think this was my last profit taking, somewhere here. And so this is what we did. And why did we do this? Because the Nasdaq is bullish, and we just bought the pullbacks for more upside. The Nasdaq is still bullish. Like, we do not have any bearish evidence yet. But if I do my my Elliott wave count, it looks like this structure here is ending. We also have something very interesting on the daily chart. So as you can see also in the daily, but I will discuss this in more detail this weekend during my higher time frame analysis. Also during the day on the daily chart, You can see we are in a very nice uptrend, but like it will probably not be for today, but maybe next week. If we would break this trend line here in RSI, then I would say here our wave 3 was in here, and we are doing now a wave 4 pullback. Can be shallow, can be deep. We have to see. We have to wait for more data. But so this is what I see on the daily, and then if I put this together with what I see on the 4 hour, also here almost a complete structure. And if we have a complete structure, it would actually mean that our wave 3 high that I just showed on the daily is in here. That is actually the same high. So this this nicely coincides actually. So the daily, the 4 hour, and yeah, then now if we zoom in the 1 hour. So first of all, in the 4 hour, I would say we need one more push up as a fifth wave. That would be the nicest structure from a distribution point of view. But I cannot exclude that that this is the case, and that this was here or high, and that we now start to pull back. This is possible. However, I keep it like this. I think one more leg up, but it could be finished here. Then if we look at the 1 hour, so again, if this is our wave 3 here, we should have a wave 4. We already know the area for our wave 4. I drew this area yesterday. Let me check. Yeah, this is still correct. So this here is the area for our wave 4 between the 0.236 and the 0.618 VIP retracements. We are in this area, and I could also so now assuming that this is a 3 and we are doing a 4, so only look at the annotations in green. I will discuss the annotations in red in a minute. So if this is our 3, we are doing a 4. So a 4 as a corrective structure, then we need some kind of ABC or another corrective structure. And if I look at the 15 minutes, this is what we could have here. This is our wave A, this is our wave B, and then here, yeah, we had our wave C, or our wave C is still ongoing, but we already know the area from where we should go up again, where our wave C should end, and this area we find by taking the length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then here the area between the 1 and 1.618 VIP extension is the area from where wave C, where wave C should end. Now, if I look at this wave C, it actually looks like, it looks like we do not have enough swings now. I would say 1, 2, 3 for now. So I would not exclude that we make, if it is a wave C, that we make one more low here. As you can see now, we have a first reaction to the upside. We might get out of this area now. Could be that we start to move up from here, but yeah, if I look at the waves, it looks like we need one more wave down here, one more low to finish this wave C. So yeah, normally I would say this is a long opportunity. Like I just showed you, like we did in the past weeks, we just bought the pullbacks to go long. But now the situation is a bit different. as we are, as it looks like we have a complete or close to a complete structure in the higher time frame. And if we have this complete structure in the higher time frame, then we might turn bearish, and then of course buying the pullbacks does not work anymore. Then things might get very ugly here. So that's why I say that you have to be careful with buying now. Like, yeah, I mean, you can still take the trade from here. Like, yeah, although I think we still have to make one more low. Like, if you take this one more low, or if you decide to go long here against this level, this is a matter of personal preference, of risk management. But yeah, I will be careful now with my long trades. If I would enter, then I want to see here at least one more low, and even then, I'm not sure if I will take it, because so on the 4 hour I said that it looks like we need one more leg up, but then if I see the 1 hour, if I look at the 1 hour, I think there's also a high probability that this here will unfold in 5 waves. So as shown in red actually. So if I look here at this RSI, this looks like a nice 5-wave pattern, in the sense like we have our wave 1, we have our wave 2 here. This makes the RSI trend line. We have a deep wave 3. We break the RSI trend line as a wave 4, and then we do a final wave 5 to the downside, and we end here with divergence. So this is actually also something that can play out. And if we have 5 waves from here, then it means that we are doing a bigger wave 4 correction. Like, then it could be wave, so we have 5 waves, and then we have wave A, B, C, or it could be, yeah, the beginning of a larger pullback, in the sense that we have a wave 1 impulse to the downside, wave 1, wave 2 up, and then wave 3 down. This is also possible. So I mean, yeah, it's also Friday. I prefer not to have any trades over the weekend, so maybe I just wait for a bit more data. I already took partial profits here. If we make another low, I might take all my profit, and then maybe go long then from here if we have another low. But yeah, I think the key message is be careful with long trades. The best is that you analyze the lower time frame and try to pick the low there. That's a possibility if you want to go long. Just like I want to go short here. Like, if you want to go against the main direction, it's really important to try to catch the top or the low and immediately protect your position, and then see how it unfolds. Like, I was lucky here that I knew what I was doing, but I was lucky that it was holding. Like, we could still make one more high, for instance, would be possible. So now it could be that also my that I'm stopped out the rest of my that I don't have the rest of my profit, but okay, so be it. Key message, I think this is ending. We might see one more high here, but because it is ending, I would be careful with my long trades. We do not have evidence yet that we are bearish now in the NASDAQ. No, not at all. But I believe we might close to a turning point. Okay, so I wait for today's data. Maybe by after today, I will see more, I will know more, and then I will definitely deal with it in my higher time frame analysis. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.